Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Pixiv how to join Pixivision. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To be featured on Pixivision, Pixiv's curated media platform showcasing exceptional illustrations, manga, novels and more. In order to get featured on Pixivision, what you need to do is first head over and then open up your Pixivision app. Then once you're there, what you need to do is just simply create high quality and original works. Focus on producing unique and compelling content. Pixivision highlights works that stand out in the creative and execution. Then use relevant and trending tags. Incorporate popular and thematic tags in your submissions. Next is to engage with Pixiv events and contests. Participate in the official Pixiv contest and challenges. Then next is stay active and consistent. Regularly upload your works and engage with the Pixiv community. Consistent activity can increase your visibility to the Pixivision editorial team. Then follow Pixivision for more updates by keeping an eye on the Pixivision website for the latest themes and features. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.